somewhere else na mag-isa para pag-isipan yung mga ginagawa nila. 'Di ba ganun ginagawa nila sa preso? Merong solitary confinement. Sige, pag-isipan mo yung mga ginawa mong kasalanan. Reflect on your sins. Okay? Parang ganon. What does Gemini need to know? Thoughts? Sacred Pool? We have Knight of Wands. Title card. Nine of Wands. Five of Pentacles. Eight of Cups in the reverse. Dahil sa impulsive behavior nila, masyado silang gahaman with your money, ganyan. Very impulsive sila, sobra silang just wants your 10 of Pentacles, okay? Kaso pinrotektahan mo sila, so they're under attack right now, okay? You were able to protect yourself with the 9 of Wands energy, ano? Ito ka, guarded sa taong ito dahil alam mo they're after, I guess, your title or baka lupa ito, no? After your mana. Okay? Your 10 of Pentacles. Titulo ng lupa, mana, inheritance, bahay, okay? Yun ang minamanmanan nila eh. So, naprotektahan mo yung sarili mo and wala silang choice dito but to walk away. Recover and walk away. Or ito sila na or ikaw ito na iniwan mo sila. Bumabalik sila sa time na silang nang iwan sa inyo in a desperate situation. Kayo yung unang iniwan nila ng inyong masculine. Meron silang piniling ibang babae or family member. Pinili nila yon. So, kayo ito, okay, so pinipili mo yung ex mo, pinipili mo other woman than me. Kailangan ko lang protektahan yung lupa ko, ari-arian ko from you, okay? So, ito sila ngayon, yun yung gusto nila eh. And they have to walk away or abandon this, parang abort this plan dahil nahuli sila. Okay? Wala silang magagawa rito. Kung iniisip ng ex ninyo or pamilya ng ex ninyo or boss ninyo, ewan ko kung sino to, no? Pamilya ng ex ninyo or boss ninyo or yung ex ninyo mismo, no? You're winning. Makukuha mo tong title whether they like it or not. Ano man ang gawin nila dito, no? Kahit na nag-hold on sila, baka sila yung nakatira dun sa bahay mo, no? Ikaw yung pinaalis. Sarili mong bahay, pinalayas ka. Okay? So, parang ang labo. Ganun. Ikaw pa nawala, ikaw ang nag-invest. Bahay mo yon or pinamana sa'yo. Yun ang gusto nilang kubrahin from you. So, kinukulam ka nila, ginawa nila everything, sinacrifice ka para makuha itong iyong lupa or 10 of Pentacles, yung mana mo, pero hindi sila nag-succeed dahil you worked with law enforcement, sinabi mo sa kanila, inend mo yung relationship, tapos tumakbo ka sa police or law enforcement, Justice League, sinabi mo yung, you stated your case, I'm separating from this person. So, ang rito is, you were able to protect yourself. Nag-guard mo yung sarili mo. And you did a good job. Dahil, itong mga taong to, sila ngayon they will have to walk away, abort the plan. And, parang they need to recover or think about what they have done here. Okay? Babalik sila sa ginawa nilang pag-iiwan at pananakit sa'yo, lahat yon, no? Parang lahat naiisip nila na, oh my gosh, or ipamumukha sa kanila yung ginagawa nila. Tinry mong gawin to kay Gemini, ngayon, siguro tinry ka rin nilang makulong, ano? Ginawan ka ng kwento eh. Meron dito na falsely accused. So, ikaw ito na mapapawalang sala, you will be set free. Pero this person, sila naman ngayon ang nasa kulungan. Sila naman ngayon ang facing charges. Kasi lahat nung nireport nila, false report, malicious, kasinungalingan, kagulangan. Okay? Talagang ginawan ka ng kwento para makuha itong mana mo, bahay mo, titulo mo, pinakulong ka nila, ginawan ka ng kwento para makuha nila yung bahay mo. Okay? Ngayon, nagkaroon ng investigation. Luckily, hindi naman tanga ang mga pulis. Akala ng mga taong ito, maluloko nila ang Justice League, no? Law enforcement, police, the law. They think they're above the law. Yun. Lumabas sa mga conversations nila, hindi nila alam that they were under investigation. The whole time na pinaplano nila to, umangat lahat. Now they have to face yung mga past, naungkat lahat ng kasalanan nila dito or yung pag-aatake nila sa'yo, no? Nalaman na ng mga tao in authority, yung mga dapat makaalam. So, action is being taken. Ikaw ito, you will walk away with pride, dignity intact, and meron kang compensation na ma-receive din dito. It's a big change in your situation dahil ang mga taong ito kailangan itanggal or ilayo ka from this toxic energy, no? Meron din ang ating parang emotional ang Justice League or people in authority, no? They're quite emotional kung paano nila parang nagsusorry sila dito, merong apology that's gonna come to you. Hindi nila parang sinasadya na magkaroon ng rito, no? False report or accusation. Na imbestigahan yon at nalaman nga, napatunayan na nagsisinungaling itong ex mo or this person, no? Yeah. So, makukuha mo lang recovery. Recovery, someone's coming back. So, baka meron silang kinuha sa'yo. Someone is coming back to at merong recovery for you. So, baka meron silang kinuha rito, baka anak, bahay, babalik ka sa bahay mo, makakauwi ka sa bahay mo, makukuha mo ulit yung bahay mo, titulo mo, anything na tinry nilang kunin sa'yo illegally. Okay? Through spell work or anuman itong kasinungalingan nila. Kasi ang spell work, maari din na lies, slander. Okay? So, yun. Yun ang nangyari dito with your person. And final outcome for Gemini, please. Ito na ang final outcome mo. You will be scot-free, makakaalis ka rito with dignity intact, and at the same time, matutuloy ang relationship mo or offer. Somebody wants to partner up with you. Siguro magaling ka rin na investigative work, merong offer sa'yo. Okay? Either somebody wants to work with you or be in a relationship with you. But you will receive a stable offer. Or ikaw ito, malaking pera ang darating sa'yo, millionaire status. Dahil someone may makukuha ka, they will have to pay for damages, ganyan, court settlement. Okay? So, makukuha mo lang ulit yung mana mo, sa'yo naman talaga to, entitled ka dito eh. Ikaw ang nakapangalan sa titulo. Pero ninanakaw nila. Okay? Ginawan ka ng kwento para ma-trouble ka, mahuli ka ng police, something like that. Pero hindi mangyayari yon. Ano man yung pinaplano nila sa'yo, napunta sa kanila. Ngayon sila ang nasa kulungan, sila ngayon ang iniimbestigahan, wala silang kawala dahil everything was recorded. It's in black and white. Walang kawala ang mga taong ito. Okay? So, ikaw lang ito as divine feminine, kung ikaw din itong energy ng mature woman, ikaw lang ito na parang being the high priestess. Bossed up status ka, no? Nakinig sa'yo ang mga tao, ikaw ang may suporta, ikaw ang parang pinakikinggan ng law enforcement, ikaw yung merong integridad, okay? You will feel heard, okay? Ano man ang parang sinampa mong kaso or inireklamo mo, you will be heard and action will be taken, okay? Against sa mga kaaway mo. And it will be very positive dahil mahuhuli sila sa ginawa nila, wala silang kawala. Okay? Makukuha mo lang big recovery, ano yung nawala sa'yo, and at the same time, meron kang payout dito na maganda or offer of stability either sa trabaho or relationship. Okay? Beautiful energies for you, Gemini, pero you just have to, parang hang in there, okay? Konting panahon pa, and you will get somehow a message na your situation will change, okay? Big change in your situation na makakahinga ka na, you are free from these people. Malalaman nyo, someone's gonna message you, no? Someone's gonna message you at malalaman mo that you are protected, na no one can harm you now dahil nasa kulungan na sila. Maari din na magkaroon ka ng bagong kotse kung tinry nilang sirain yung kotse mo. So, baka, yeah. Congratulations to you for this case. Justice is served in your situation or is being served, okay? Hindi ko nakita ang justice card, pero definitely andito yung energy ng justice. Dahil it's under investigation. Parang lahat ng sinabi mo about your ex, tama, okay? Na sila lahat ng sinabi naman sa'yo, kasinungalingan, okay? So, dapat lang na harapin nila ang husgado. And, yeah. Eventually, justice, okay? Dahil makukuha mo, may recovery dito eh. Five of Pentacles energy. Pati yung title card. Okay? So, yan po ang ating reading. Hopefully, naka-resonate po kayo dito. Let me know sa comment box. Libre po mag-comment. Libre din mag-like. Okay? Mag-like naman tayo at mag-subscribe din para updated tayo sa ating mga channel, sa ating mga uploads. Everyday po nag-upload ako as much as I could. Yeah. Maka-resonate man kayo dito or hindi, marami pa tayong videos na maaaring pagpilian. Okay? Under Gemini Chronicles. Yan po ang inyong reading for the next 2 weeks. And I hope nagbigay ito ng liwanag sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? I love you, Gemini. Mwah.